My name is Beno Zephin NL, and I belong to Chennai, India. And my parents, my father's name is Mr. NL Luke Anthony Charles, and my mom is Mrs. G.A. Mary Padmaja. I have a brother, and we are a Catholic family. I thank God for blessing us. I am a visually challenged person, and my schooling was at Little Flower Convent Higher Secondary School for the Blind, Chennai. And basically I have done my BA English Literature in Stella Maris College, Chennai again. And then my MA was at Loyola College, Chennai. And right now I am pursuing my PhD with Bharathiar University, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I realize and I understand that one's capacity and one's skills can be built only by education. And I might not have vision, but I had a vision to become an IAS officer. IAS officer is the one who makes the policies, formulates the policies, and laid down guidelines for certain policies. When I was in my 11th standard, I was scoring 464 marks in my 10th standard, and that was 93%. So I wanted the government of Tamil Nadu to honor a visually challenged person who stood first in the 10th standard examinations among the visually challenged level. So that did not happen, because whenever a so-called non-disabled student stood first, every TV channel, every newspaper went in front of the door of that person and took interviews. But when I stood first, no one recognized me, and I approached the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. I asked him, why does not one recognize the visually challenged people? And as a result of which a GO was passed. Now the students, the visually challenged students who occupy the first 3 ranks in 10th and 12th have been honored by the government of Tamil Nadu. So I was very happy that I was been able to be an instrument for a GO to be passed. And in my 12th standard, I have been to Global Young Leaders Conference, US. So I am the first visually challenged person in the world to attend that conference. So all these conferences, all these efforts told me somewhere in my mind that I have the potential to do something for the society. And whenever someone wasted water, I could never stand. And whenever I tell them, kind of advise them not to waste water, they kind of call me a collector. Oh, collector has come to advise us. So I think the whole arena or the whole range of ideas picked up from there, and today I am an IAS officer.